Welcome to the Curious Compass channel. Thank you for your time, and here's the video.
Can you hear me right now? You might, but you probably hear my echo. Distant traffic outside, all kind of nature kind of sounds, and a ton of background noise. This is the harsh reality of filming content with your iPhone built-in microphone. If you're a TikTok creator, a YouTuber, a podcaster, or an online teacher,
Then this video is for you.
what if you could ditch the wire, isolate ambient noise, keep your freedom and mobility, and sounds like a pro for under the price of a takeout dinner? That's the promise of this little guy, the MAYBESTA Wireless Lavalier Microphone for iPhone and iPad. So forget about the background noise. This unit will be able to correct all that noisy background noise that you get with the iPhone microphone, even though that microphone is excellent. As you can see, you're receiving the little package, some contact information for the company in case you have questions about how to use the unit, and also if you have any trouble, you can actually contact them. On top of that, you get a manual to learn how to utilize your unit, how to connect it, how to charge it. As you can see, that you have the two clips that you can actually attach to the two microphones. Also includes the charging cable. Include another clip for the cable, and these are the microphones, very tiny. The package protect them very well so they didn't get any damage during transportation. And also this is a receiver, it's tiny. This one is for the lightning connection for iPad or the iPhone older version. The microphones and the clips are very easy to attach. You just need to align the little slot. The spring is pretty strong. You just need to align the slot with the microphone, push it, and it's already in. So you just need to repeat the same process with the other microphone for you to be able to use the little clip. This is basically what you need to do. You just align the slot, push it, and now you have the two clips attached to the two microphone. I was pressing the button by accident, the power button, and I turned on this unit. You can see the blinking light is searching for the receiver, but because the receiver is not attached, you don't get the solid green light. But once you get the receiver connected, you can actually, then the receiver will be showing a green light to give you a visual confirmation that the microphone and the receiver are both connected. So it's very easy, very simple. It's just plug and play basically. To turn on the microphone, you just need to press the power button just once, and you will see the green light blinking, and that means that it's searching for the receiver. To start recording, just press the record button on your phone or tablet. Okay, this is a test that I'm doing for the range to see how far I can walk with this little lavalier kind of wireless MAYBESTA microphone. What I did with the receiver, I installed a adapter that goes from lightning to USB-C. If you need more information about this connector, let me know and I will send you that information. I'm gonna be walking away from my phone, which is the one recording right now. Right now I am not using the MAYBESTA wireless microphone, and this is the sound from the iPhone. So I'm gonna continue walking backwards. I just hit some branches and I continue walking away, walking away. Hopefully you can hear a little bit more branches, more branches. That was funny. And I'm gonna continue, and I believe that probably you can I'm talking right now. I'm moving my hands so you can see when I'm talking. I'm moving my hands so at least I can give you at least some body language so you can actually see that I'm actually talking. That's why I was moving my hands so you can see at least visually that I was continually walking that way backwards and talking. So now I'm going to install the MAYBESTA receiver, and I'm going to be using one of this little guy
At first, I'm gonna use it in my hand, and then second, I'm gonna clip it to my shirt. Microphone. This is the little microphone I'm using. Little grain. The other one is in my hand. It's so small and compact that you can actually put it in your pocket. I'm gonna continue walking backwards that way, only in my hand. I'm gonna put it like up like this. So also you can hear that it's also 360 degrees, catching the sounds coming from my mouth. Now I'm putting it on the main unit aiming at the camera, and now we can see how much sound is catching from my mouth, even though it's pointing at the opposite direction of me. It's pointing at the camera. Putting it up, now I'm aiming directly at my mouth. Hopefully we don't catch more branches. We missed the second branches, and we are continue talking, so you can see I'm gonna continue way more than the distance I was able to go to when I was just talking to the iPhone microphone. This is way further. This is way further. This is way further. There's more. It's maybe like I don't know, between 80 and 100 feet from the camera. I'm waving right now, and the little microphone is still recording, or I should say, my iPhone is still recording. I'm aiming it to the sky, and I'm talking. I'm aiming the front of the microphone towards the camera, the iPhone camera, and let's see how much sound is catching. Now is the microphone is aiming to the sky, and I'm talking. Now I'm gonna clip it to my shirt. Right now it's clipped to my shirt, and I'm walking towards my iPhone, which is the one recording. There's no ambient sound. It's a beautiful cloudy day, nice breeze, and close to 70 degrees. And basically, that's the reach test, the sound, the 360, and also the noise cancellation. Because when I had the iPhone recording, you were able to hear some nature kind of sounds like the wind, birds, and so on, and some airplanes that they were flying in the background. But right now, you can't hear any of those sounds. This portion of the video, we're going to be talking about the iPhone 16 Pro built-in microphone. The microphone sounds that you are listening right now is from my iPhone. This is a small studio, 10 by 16. It's insulated, so some of the acoustics are better because of that. And this is the sound that you get indoors. I have a little fan running right now. You may hear it, you may not, but this is the sound from the iPhone 16. Now, I'm gonna plug in the MAYBESTA receiver. This one is the version that had the lightning connector. So in order for use this one with my iPhone 16, I need to use this small adapter. It's showing a little icon with a microphone and a lightning. That means that you can use it for charging or sound. Make sure that if you get one, make sure that you get something that is good for audio and charging. I'm gonna plug the two connected right now, and I'm gonna plug this into my iPhone, and eventually you will hear the sound in the same setting. Now the light is green, so that means that the receiver and the MAYBESTA microphone are connected. So the sound that you are listening already is from this little microphone. It's very portable, easy to put in your pocket, a backpack. It won't take that much space. You can travel with this. I'm pointing at the camera right now, and this is the sound, even though it's not really pointed at me. When I point it at me, the sound gets richer, even though it wasn't that bad when it was pointing at the opposite direction. Now it's sideways and it's still collecting the sound coming from my mouth. It's excellent. I don't see any issues with this little unit. The 360 caption is excellent. The noise cancellation is excellent. I'm gonna put this little microphone closer to my little fan. Now what you hear is the fan. And now I'm all the way here. It's maybe arm reach from me. Probably you don't hear it at all. You only get one, you get two of this little guy. The battery lasts around 5 hours. To charge it completely, it will take around 2 hours. When you are charging the unit, you will get
visual confirmation. You will get a red light, and when it's completely charged up, it will be green. They both have clips. You can use it like right now. I'm using it, hold it in my hand, or you can clip the microphone to your shirt. You can use the second one for the person that you interviewing. They can attach this to their shirt, or you can just point it at the person you interviewing to collect the information needed from that speaker. It's built in noise cancellation, like I said earlier. And the amazing part of this little gadget is that this little thing and its built-in noise cancellation is very effective. I use it outdoors. I heard the video clip, and the comparison with the iPhone microphone is very notable. So this is a very solid option for those who are budget is a priority. It's a good solid option for any sound that sounds very professional, very easy to take in a pocket or in a backpack. Why I bought this unit? I bought this unit because I would like to have the portability, the flexibility. I don't want any cables that restrict my ability and mobility to conduct any interviews or to do any videos outdoor. The other thing I like from this little gadget is that it only takes 2 hours to charge fully the battery, the built-in battery. The third incredible feature is that you can actually recharge your phone while the receiver is attached to your phone and is recording. You just need to plug in a USB cable to the receiver, and the other end can be a USB plug, and you can just recharge it that way while still recording. And that blew my mind. It's excellent. I don't see any issues with the unit. I recommend that. And if you're looking for this specific unit or the other available option from the same company, MAYBESTA, the link for this unit will be in the description for this video. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Share the video with others. I hope to see you soon. Bye now.